Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video and another unboxing. This time we have a debut model from a new brand that's located in Copenhagen. So they're from the European Union, so this got here pretty quickly. This is their first model. It's called the Pacific Explorer and the brand is Coast Watches. So let's open the package and see how it looks and how it's packed. Okay, so after opening this, let's see what we got inside. A lot of these protective pillows with air, and the packaging of the watch, which is quite impressive. This is very heavy and it's made with this leather material, like a worn out leather. I really like this. And look, it's a hexagon, or is it? Yes, it is. So a pretty original packaging. This is the first time that I've seen a watch box made like this. So this is where we open it, and let's reveal the watch, and here it is. As you can see, you have the option of a stainless steel bracelet. So let's take this one out. Solid links and a milled out clasp, and it does come with quick release spring bars, which is, like I said, the best invention since sliced bread. And this is the watch on the optional leather strap, so you can get it with either one of these. Naturally, I would always go for a bracelet because getting a original bracelet afterwards is always more expensive. And look, these pillows have these notches that sit in here so that the watch and everything inside is always facing the correct side, which is pretty cool, and you can use it as a travel pouch for your watches for up to 3. Very cool packaging. Let's move that away. Let's bring in the watch and see how it looks. There. And it's a pretty stunning watch in person. I saw the renders and I really liked what I see. I liked the dimension because this is a 40mm watch with a 46 or I believe 47mm lug to lug. But it should wear even smaller because it's the tip of the lugs. But as you can see, they really go this way, like so. Here it's even shorter than here, and it's just about 12mm thick or something under 12. I'll have all that for the review because, as usual, this is just the unboxing and first impressions. The crystal is sapphire and it comes powered by the ETA 2824. So let's try to wind it to see if it's gonna get going. It has a screw-in crown, as you would expect from a sports watch, and there it goes. And it comes with a sandwich dial, which is pretty cool. I like the case shape. It's very original. It has some of that Omega DNA here, but it's definitely different and original enough. And as you can see, it's a combination of brushed and polished surfaces. So the sides are brushed, the top of the bezel is brushed, and then you have this huge polished section here, and then some brushing on the inner parts of the lugs as well. So pretty cool, very interesting. The caseback is closed and it just comes with a big compass emblem. Now, since this is a review sample that goes around, I'm not sure if there's going to be any writing here, probably will. And it comes on this ostrich leather, and it's a genuine ostrich leg leather. I do like these kind of straps, but definitely we'll have to check it out on bracelet when I do the full review. I like the hands, they're very long, they reach all the way to their designated markers, and it appears they're clearly distinguished because the minute hand has an additional piece here while the hour hand is a single piece. Pretty cool. Minimal writing, very legible, and we'll put it on my wrist to see if it's as wearable as the dimensions would suggest. So let me just strap it on. I have a 6.7 inch wrist in case you're not following my channel, and I do prefer smaller watches, so 36, 37, 39, 40 if it's a diver. And look at it, with 40mm and this thick bezel, it does wear slightly smaller, but it is a perfect size for my 6.7 inch wrist. But even if your wrist is larger, this will look pretty impressive. And this one seems to have a blue dial, but it's kind of hard to record it under this lighting. Yes, it's definitely blue. Now this is just one of the variants. Naturally they're going to have a selection of dial colors, but also bezel selection. So this one is with a plain bezel, so it's a very minimalistic and very explorer-like. But there is an option of a 12-hour bezel with a ceramic insert, and they're also going to make these in a two-tone, with the second metal being bronze. So this, I believe, is one of the first watches to have a combination of bronze and steel, and we'll see how that looks, but it's probably gonna look awesome. Now the last thing to do before I sign off, I didn't mention the price, it's gonna be about $600. So the last thing to do before I sign off is to show you the lume of this beautiful sandwich dial. Pretty original and pretty good looking. So let's charge the watch, since it's been traveling like usually for weeks. Although this one actually came within a week because it's in the same union as my country. So the lume has been charged. Let's zoom in a bit, let the camera focus, and try to reach the switch for the light. There we go. And the lume is pretty impressive. In person it looks even better than on camera. And on camera it appears blue, but it's actually it has more of a green tint, so, but pretty good and very, very legible, as I said. I love when there's not a lot of additional lumed parts. With this, it's just basic time, and I love it. So, pretty cool watch from a new brand, and a very good effort for a first try. So I can't believe, I wonder what they're gonna do next. And look at the dial, it even has this like a brushed effect. Pretty cool. Well, anyways, this is it when it comes to the unboxing and first impressions. Like I said, stay tuned for the full review, where after I spend some time with this watch wearing it, where I'll be doing macro shots and everything, so we'll see this dial and hands and everything in more detail, and also this finish of the case. But even like this, it looks pretty impressive. Well, that's it. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. And until the next video, bye.